Christmas dinner is coming, your family is going all out, and you're staring at your Wegovy or zepbound pen thinking, should I skip my dose so I can actually enjoy the food? Should I move it a day? And what on earth am I going to say to Aunt Susan, who's going to be watching my plate like a hawk? I'm Dr. Dan, a pharmacist specializing in obesity medicine, and today I'm giving you my 3-part holiday strategy so you can enjoy the holidays, drop the guilt, and continue on your weight loss journey. And stick around for number 3. It's a specific social script that you can use for those judgmental comments from relatives without ruining the holiday dinner. And if you want more no fluff, no BS, just real talk science about GLP-1 medications and managing your weight, then you best hit that subscribe button. And let's get into it. Strategy number 1 is the biological advantage. Here's the reality. When you're taking one of these GLP-1 medications, food is hanging out in your stomach for a longer period of time. Your brain is getting the I'm full signal faster and stronger than just about anybody else at that table. So while your cousin is going back for their 3rd round of mashed potatoes because their brain and body haven't caught up yet, your brain is going to be tapping you on the shoulder saying, hey, think we're good. Maybe we should wrap things up here. And that isn't you suddenly becoming disciplined. That is your medication normalizing the appetite signaling system in your body that has been dysregulated for years. So the question that I get just about every single day is, Dr. Dan, should I skip my dose in order to make room for more food? And my answer is always no, because that's kind of like turning off your GPS on a road trip, thinking that it's going to make the drive more fun. But you ultimately don't end up happier, you just end up lost. Here's the general rule. If you're on a weekly injection and your dosing day is Monday, take your dose as you usually do on Monday. If Christmas falls on your dose day, take it as you normally would. These meds have a long half-life. They're working all week long, and moving your dose by a day or 2 or even skipping a dose isn't going to open up some magical cheat window. What it can do by skipping your dose is throwing off your steady state and actually increasing your risk of side effects down the road. Strategy number 2 is the 3-bite strategy. This is not restriction, this is permission with a plan. And this is for those once-a-year type foods, your mom's pecan pie, that specific stuffing that your grandma makes. And here's the rule. I want you to enjoy those foods, but take 3 mindful, intentional bites. Here's how it works. Bite number 1 is getting the flavor, texture, triggering all those nostalgic memories and feelings. Bite number 2 is all about really savoring it and enjoying the shit out of it. And bite number 3 is about completing that experience. So why only 3 bites? Well, that's because the science shows that that is where you're going to get the maximum amount of pleasure, feeling, and enjoyment from the food that you're eating. After that, your brain has already logged that flavor, what it felt like, all that good stuff, and then you're just finishing what's on your plate just to be polite. Does this mean you only take 3 bites of everything? Of course not. What we're talking about is those rich, high-calorie, nostalgic type foods that only come around once a year, and you need to really enjoy them. You can still build a plate that is loaded with protein and fiber, turkey, ham, veggie, salad, you name it. Those are going to be the foods that you can eat more of because they're ultimately supporting your goals towards what you're working towards. And if you want another set of 3 more bites, go for it. No one is stopping you. But what we're trying to do is to engage and do it more mindfully and intentionally, not just eating on autopilot. Now, tell me in the comments, what is your number 1 non-negotiable food item that you look forward to all year long? Tell me in the comments, I want to hear what you're eating. And listen, if you're sitting there thinking, Dr. Dan, this video is great, but I need more than just a video to help me along with this journey. Well, that's why I created Dr. Dan's Empowerment Hub. It's a community where we navigate GLP-1s, nutrition, activity, life, all of the things together as a supportive community to help each of us get to our healthiest and bestest life. And right now, the founder's rate is locked in and open for $15 a month or $145 per year. If you get this deal before January 2026, you lock it in for life. After January, the price is going to go up. So if you want a plan that's based on science and actual support without the shame, then you better go to drdanshub.com or click the link down below in the description. And our 3rd strategy here is the social navigation script. Because let's be honest, Food is one thing, but having Aunt Susan or another relative corner you by the dessert table, that's a whole other beast. And it becomes, so what's your secret? Are you even eating? Or are you taking that skinny jab that I saw on the news? And so here are 3 levels of responses that you can use depending on how much you want to share. Option number 1 is the deflect. Oh, I've just been working with my doctor on some health stuff. Have you tried the green bean casserole this year? It is absolutely amazing. Option number 2 is the vague truth. Oh, I'm on a medication that helps with appetite regulation. My doctor and I are working on it, and we're really happy with how things are progressing. And option number 3 is full disclosure, but only if you feel safe enough to express it. Yeah, I'm currently on a GLP-1 medication for managing my health and my appetite. It's been absolutely life-changing, and I'm working very closely with my doctor and the rest of my care team. What you don't owe anybody at Christmas dinner is your medication, your exact dosage, your weight loss numbers, a guarantee that you'll keep the weight off, or a TED Talk on the benefits of obesity medicines. And if someone hits you with one of my favorites, oh, you're just taking the easy way out, you can say, actually, I'm taking the effective way out. Just like someone who has high blood pressure and takes medications for managing that, I'm taking a medication to manage a chronic medical condition. And then you change the subject. Be firm, be direct, and change that subject because you don't need to explain what you're doing to anybody over turkey and pie. Now, you don't owe them an explanation, but you do owe yourself a plan that actually works. So if you're in a very complex situation, maybe you have something like PCOS, thyroid issues, or you've tried a number of different diets and still are feeling stuck and stalled, sometimes a general YouTube video just ain't going to give you the info that you need for your personal situation. And that is why I've opened up a limited number of coaching spots for one-on-one consultation and coaching with myself. This is where we do a deep dive into your lifestyle and history to get a full understanding of the challenges, barriers, and things that you are dealing with. And then we build a personalized roadmap just for you. So if you're tired of guessing, tired of wasting money on supplements and programs that don't work, then go to consult.drdanshub.com and book a consultation with me. Again, that's consult.drdanshub.com, or check out the link down below in the description. And let's figure this out together. Now, the big thing that I want you to take away from all of this is that one day, even 1 week over the Christmas holidays, will not ruin months of progress. Your body doesn't reset at midnight like a parking meter. So to recap for this holiday season, number 1, stay on your regular prescribed dose that you have come up with in conjunction with your prescribing clinician. Number 2, use that 3-bite strategy and enjoy the hell out of your favorite foods. And number 3, protect your peace and your space with the social scripts. And if this video helped you to feel less anxious about the holidays, then be sure to like it, subscribe, and share it with somebody else that needs this info. You're not ruining anything this Christmas. You are simply learning to live in a new chapter of your life with the new tools to help you be as healthy as possible. Okay, that is it, and that is all, my beautiful friends. Merry Christmas and happy holidays to you and your families. And of course, as I always sign off, please remember, it is going to be those small tweaks that lead to the massive peaks.